Ua.
I love you.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
Whoa.
El perro que me hizo querer adoptar otro. El otro.
Ты опять палишься, я же вижу, что ты что-то опять украл. Со стола опять свистнул, да? Ты будешь показывать, что у тебя там во рту? Я же все равно достану. Оно у тебя торчит. Давай. Ну показывай. Говножуй. Давай. Покажи. Конфета. Тебя что, не кормят?
Your dad for $100,000.
Ипполит, я тебя умоляю, вылезай.
Ой, тепленькая пошла.
Get it. Go get it. Oh.
No, aló, casi.
So this pretty much sums up the holiday season, and it's not even close to being over. This is Mochi, the English cream golden retriever, and he is such a long golden retriever. His owners joke about how they think he's mixed with part dachshund because he is so long. Mochi has some itchy skin, so the vet said to use this shampoo, and I'm not gonna put in my 2 cents on this shampoo. Oh, and Mochi is out here looking like Megamind. When I was bathing Mochi, all the shampoos I used were hyperallergenic, and I used no fragrances, no sprays on him whatsoever. Which is hard for me because I like my dogs to leave smelling like they just left a Bath & Body Works. But with no fragrances, Mochi just ends up smelling like nothing. It's like he's not even here. It's like smelling a piece of air. Before I leave work, I do sometimes spray myself with dog cologne because some of these colognes just smell better than a person's cologne, okay? I've gotten compliments on it before, so end of discussion. But Mochi is all done.
Bye, Mochi.
I got home in the middle of the night, and my dog didn't know until the morning.
Hi. Merry Christmas. Hello. Ow, that hurts. Hi, I know. Ow, you bit me. Hey, lay down.
She was so hyped, she didn't know what to do.
No. Okay. Yeah!
Brother, help me!